Hi, I'm Shelia Dedenbach, founder and operator of Heavenly Sweet. I started, an edibles business in California about 15 years ago, and so I brought some of our wonderful products in here to talk about and to share with you. I always tell people that edibles are really the best bang for your buck. Like, you get a long effect with just a small amount. So 100 milligrams, again, is going to feel like smoking 400.
5 to 7 minute rapid onset cannabis infused lemon squeeze gummy, soured lemon flavor.
These are organic lemon oil in these.
Bingo. This is great. So how do you have a rapid onset product? Walk me through that.
So it is a microtechnology this formulation is made for us. It's a water soluble, essentially it's in powder form so that it can be fully incorporated and homogenized within the slurry that we make for these gummies.
Yeah. Let's take a look at this. So we have some cannabis infused ranch crackers in here for you. Now, these are really popular. Let's take a look at this. These are Cheez-Its.
Yeah. And they're a nice alternative to like so many sweet products. And you can, again, on our website, there is a buy now feature, like a tab, and it's actually through Weed Maps, and it will identify the locations nearest you that have certain product.
I was
going to
ask you if you had that technology feature.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, okay. Right on our website. So that's your best bet. And the 500 plus retailers we work with are across the state.